Hi, good morning. Today is April 8, 2024. Tapos na tayo ng 4 na episodes mula sa spiritual and emotional life, quality of life and finance. Pangatlo, intellectual life, at kahapon, character life. Now will be napaka-importante itong ito para sa inyo ito about health and fitness. Ang pag-uusapan po natin about health and fitness para healthy tayo. Pagdating sa health, ang ang power phrase ko dyan, I am fit and healthy. Pangarap ko na itong second life ko, umabot ako ng age 99. So, araw-araw, I sit aside 1 or 2 hours a day for my health and fitness. Araw, hangin, preskong hangin yan. Tapos, yung physical exercise, walking, the best exercise, walking. Hindi minamadali. 20 minutes ang ginagamit ko sa walking from residence to